batteries way too quick. This battery crap's just crap. Battery crap. Well, let's have a looky lander. Goosey gander. What do you think? I think we've got a long way to the shop inside my soul. She's a hollow hole. Wow. Really gonna have to do something about that. It's kind of have to be full of epoxy by the looks of it at the end. Just to hold it together. Wow. Oh. I don't know. Can't believe it. Just 2 batteries gone in 10 seconds, mate. I've got to get a corded one. It's ridiculous. Frustration.